For this Walking with the Rights, we are on the Bay of St. Thomas.
Yes, Charlotte Amalie, right?
Yes, this is Charlotte Amalie, the capital city
Of the Virgin Islands.
Of the Virgin Islands.
What are we going to talk about today?
Let's talk about where each of us came from. Where did we grow up? All right, we've kind of had different pasts.
Yes, I was a Yankee.
Born
You were never a Yankee.
No, born in New York, I believe.
Yep, I was born in Plattsburgh, New York.
Upstate New York.
Yep, I lived there until I was 11. I'm the youngest of 5 children, 3 boys and 2 girls. And my father was a state trooper. My mother was mostly a homemaker, though she did work several different times outside the home. She had her hands full with all 5 of us, especially the twins.
Yeah, Becky has twin brothers.
Yes.
They're still pretty crazy.
Yes. Still need to keep an eye on them. But I moved from New York when I was 11. When my parents got divorced, we moved to Kentucky and I became a Southern girl.
Yeah, Southern Kentucky girl. Look where I'm going to flip the camera around. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's me? Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm not playing for tips, but I appreciate that. Y'all just made my first dollar. I appreciate that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You guys just visited?
Yeah, we're just
Well,
busy.
if y'all see my name and lights up there, it's because of you.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah, there you
I
go.
hope that happens.
Thank you.
I sure will. You sound great.
Thank you so much. I'm practicing right now, but if I ever perform, hopefully I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy.
So that's one of the neat things about just walking and exploring. You just meet people.
Yes, I gave that girl her first tip. That's
Our first
exciting.
tip. Yeah, most of the time when we see people like performing in public like this, you know, they expect a tip, which is great, especially if you film or photograph
Yeah.
them. She's just down here practicing.
Yep, she said maybe we'll see her name in lights one day, and I hope we do.
Yeah, and the right sites earned her first dollar as a musician.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Oh, let me flip the camera around again. Look at this.
All right, so now let's hear about you. Where were you born?
I was born in Alabama, and at 8 months old, my parents went into mission work. We moved to New Zealand.
Oh, wow.
So I spent the first 2.5, 3 years in New Zealand, which is pretty amazing because when Becky was born, I was in New Zealand, halfway around the world, literally. And then God blessed me a few decades later that our paths crossed. And then I moved to Fiji.
Oh, wait, let me just real quick
All right.
say, we do have a favorite saying that from that song that says, God bless the broken road that led me back to you.
Yeah, that's kind of our song, isn't it? Yep.
Aw, y'all can gag now, but we love it.
So my folks were missionaries in the Fiji Islands until I was 7 years old. And then my dad, he's like, let's go back to the States and go someplace as far away from Fiji as possible. We moved to North Dakota.
I still don't
Wow.
know how you ever spoke to him after that.
Yeah, we moved to North Dakota. And I went to elementary school there, and then my dad transferred to Southern Ohio to a little town called Piketon, and I went to high school there. So
Became a football star.
Oh yeah, big football. I mean, man, you would have been impressed to see me ride the bench for 4 years.
You did not.
So that's a little bit of our backgrounds, and yeah, we might have grown up kind of on total opposite ends of the world, although I did end up in the Midwest.
Yes.
But
and I never dreamt I would want to move north. I mean, it's not far north from Kentucky, but I moved to Ohio. I always wanted to go south.
Yeah, so she moved an hour and a half north.
Yep. Just for you, babe.
And she's a true Buckeye now. In fact,
yeah.
She's a bigger Buckeye fan than I am.
Yeah, you fall asleep watching the game sometimes. I never do that.
Yeah.
And he also gives up really fast when they start losing. He's like, oh, it's over now.
That's kind of part of my strategy.
Yeah.
It's the mojo I'm giving to the Buckeyes. Like, if you don't straighten up, I'm going to quit following you. So we hope you enjoyed this Walking with the Wrights here on the boardwalk in St. Thomas, getting to know us a little bit better. Also, our apologies that the camera shakes a little bit like that.
Yeah.
Well, because I made a major mistake while in St. Thomas. Actually, it's on the island of St. John. Our real camera that we use, not the iPhone.
Yeah.
What'd I do, Becky?
Well, we put it in the underwater case, but it wasn't screwed on as tight as it should have been, so it got water in it and fried our camera.
And we spent 4 hours one day
Yes.
roaming all around the island of St. Thomas, and guess what? They do not sell cameras
Not
anywhere.
a single kind. Not a GoPro,
nothing.
not anything that we could find. So, if you live on this island, start a business with some cameras, man, and some sunscreen. You could do a lot of business. I'm sure we're not the only ones who have fried a camera on vacation.
Yeah.
We are so thankful that you joined us today on Walking with the Wrights. Make sure you tune in on Tuesdays for more Walking with the Wrights. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, share. It helps us out, helps us grow our channel, helps us reach more people, and we really appreciate it.